Tata Truck Brand, India. Volvo Truck Brand, Sweden. Freightliner Truck Brand, United States. SNVI Truck Brand, Algeria. IVECO Truck Brand, Italy. Dongfeng Truck Brand, China. Mercedes-Benz Truck Brand, Brazil. Volkswagen Truck Brand, Brazil. DAF Truck Brand, Netherlands. Scania Truck Brand, Sweden. Mahindra Truck Brand, India. Isuzu Truck Brand, Japan. Kenworth Truck Brand, United States. Hino Truck Brand, Japan. Renault Truck Brand, France. Ford Truck Brand, China. BMC Truck Brand, Turkey. Dennis Eagle Truck Brand, UK. KAMAZ Truck Brand, Russia. Photon Truck Brand, China. Jelch Truck Brand, Poland. Hyundai Truck Brand, South Korea. Tatra Truck Brand, Czech Republic. KRAZ Truck Brand, Ukraine. Agral Truck Brand, Brazil. MAN Truck Brand, Germany. Mitsubishi Fuso Truck Brand, Japan. Sisu Truck Brand, Finland. MAZ Truck Brand, Belarus. Star Trucks Brand, Canada. Wood Truck Brand, Japan. F&M Truck Brand, Brazil. Jelch Truck Brand, Poland. Ural Truck Brand, Russia. Ashok Leyland Truck Brand, India. Inacom Truck Brand, Malaysia. Dyna Truck Brand, Mexico. Hohan Truck Brand, China. Eider Truck Brand, India. Perkasa Truck Brand, Indonesia. ATP Truck Brand, Romania. Please follow, like, share, comment, and subscribe my YouTube channel.